की खूब और का बातें से TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Wayu khna puliu berang penkre iaga National Defence Academy exam bala penyai daga UPSC ulaman sau ka Khohsiew naka daw ba ula sya penjutam haunong hikai tang namar ba ula Ïakren bat way pat upara khna uniu khna ukurteng uvargav barman ubaki jokhat ej usenai ukhon marway jong u banajit ke barman bat ka anindita barman na lom syat sngi pedeng shnong Namar baki kmi ki kpa ki thrang bon yo ka jing hikai pen kre ka biang pura khnang bon ai ka jing sekri ka bajanai lamba ka tanat sipai ka NDA kumta ki lapha coaching sha Centurion Defence Academy Dehradun ka ba ka headquarter ka dan ha Lucknow Uttar Pradesh ka coaching kala sedang naduk ka khat santarik uyayong arjar arpusan bat ladai ban pendem haswa ka khat sautarik unai lur arjar arpusan Nrei haga sautarik unaitung ula syak khot haunong hikai math u Mr. J bad ula syak pensyutam rengkat bad upara baya pulelang da kabaki habban Ïeng ban Shong Haduh saus pak Sien Namar baki Ïakren hakapor bedang long Klas Kini ki khena kila ko ungu bat le ya kabala hukum unong hikai Nrei tang u vargaf u balala ban pendep Haduh saus pak Sien ka squad Bad kani kala khta ya ki Ïeng Khohsiew Haduh ba ula habban late Dr. Dehradun Kajing late pa sumar Dehradun kala penbitar yakin nong penya jong ka Centurion Defence Academy Haduh baki kmi kikpa jong vargav kila Ïeng bat ujor FIR haga khat sautarik unaitung arhajar arpusan ha laban PS bat lawan ra no yo u Shong bat pa sumar physiotherapy ha negrims
We got punished because we were talking. We were sitting in the back seat of the class. So after he saw us talking, he called us out. Then he asked us about what we were talking. So we told him that, sir, we were planning to go and eat momos with my friend. Then he said, okay, you were talking, now I'll give you punishment. Not exact words, but just the summary of what happened. So then after that, he told us to do 400 sit-ups, 400 squats. Then we were scared because, he's the teacher, so we respect him. So we were scared and we didn't question anything, we just started doing. Then while doing the squats also, he asked me that, how are you feeling? I said, sir, my leg is burning, it's paining. Then he said, it's okay, continue. Then after, let's say around sometime, I finished 400 and my friend had not finished all 400 yet. So after that he told me to go sit because I finished. Then my friend was continuing, but since my friend was taking time, so he let him go after around 300 something squats. Yes, because before that day I didn't have any problems with my legs or anything like that. The other teachers no, but this specific teacher, he is a little bit aggressive, so he gives lots of punishments to the students.
That is what you have seen and witnessed.
Yes, sir. For studies, I won't say that there's anything wrong with what they're teaching. They're teaching what they're supposed to teach, but it's just that the behavior of a few specific teacher, like this one teacher, is not that good. So we have that fear from that one teacher in class. First, when we talked to the administrators about this, they were trying to belittle the matters. They were trying to make it look like nothing happened, it's normal injury and all that. And then they said that they will take action against the teacher, and they apologized for this matter also. Not straight away. First the coaching apologized, but then the teacher, he didn't apologize for a long time. After the pain got unbearable, I had to tell the owner of my PG. So she took me to the doctor to show my leg. Yeah, he told me to try to give bed rest because as long as it hurts, then it's not good. He told me to take medicine and try not to bend the knee so much. I was afraid and I had that tension also, what if I miss something important. But then I have a few very good friends, so they were sending me all the notes and all. Firstly, the people of the coaching, they were behaving in a very weird way. They were very desperate to meet me, so it caused a little bit of panic. And after that, because of this leg now, it causes problems in daily activities. So of course we cannot depend on other people. So I had to come back because of this leg. Yes, I'll see material online, study material, then I'll still go ahead with the exam. Now the police are investigating the matter, so they are looking for evidence and all of that. I mean, it's pretty clear that this event had happened, so unless they destroy any evidence, they should find the evidence, the police.
Wat penleno Ïakren ka kabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat Shongdor nadu sao po hajar Haduh nriu po hajar tingka menta pila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba Shongdor hinyo po hajar seneng pinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ka sopti ka de ka wei ka design tang na ka benta jongpi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran po no menta hau khandai sao lai nriu san pra hinyo lai pra